A new dawn AI meets photonics. This is a groundbreaking fusion of two revolutionary fields that promises to transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Artificial intelligence is changing the world. From self-driving cars to advanced robotics, AI is at the forefront of technological innovation, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. It is making computers smarter. These intelligent systems can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions faster and more accurately than ever before. AI can learn and solve problems. Through machine learning and neural networks, AI systems continuously improve, adapting to new challenges and finding innovative solutions. Photonics is the science of light. It involves the generation, manipulation, and detection of light, and is fundamental to many modern technologies. It is used in many technologies like the internet and medical devices. Fiber optics, for example, rely on photonics to transmit data at incredible speeds, while medical imaging uses light to see inside the human body. When AI meets photonics, amazing things happen. This synergy allows for the creation of smarter, faster, and more efficient systems that can revolutionize industries. AI is making photonics faster and more efficient. By optimizing light-based technologies, AI can enhance data transmission, improve imaging techniques, and even lead to new discoveries in science and medicine. It is helping us create new technologies with light. Researchers are developing cutting-edge devices that leverage the power of both AI and photonics to achieve unprecedented capabilities. This partnership will shape the future in incredible ways. The integration of AI and photonics is set to drive the next wave of technological advancements, impacting everything from communication to healthcare. Let's explore this exciting world where AI and photonics meet. Join us as we delve into the innovations and possibilities that arise from this powerful combination.
Photonics is all about light. It studies how to generate light, control light, and use light. Light carries information. We use this in many ways. Fiber optic cables use light to transmit data efficiently. This gives us fast and reliable internet. Medical imaging uses light to see inside the human body. This helps doctors diagnose and treat diseases. Solar panels use light to generate electricity. This gives us clean and sustainable energy.
AI is like a powerful brain, capable of processing vast amounts of information at incredible speeds. It can analyze and interpret large datasets, learning intricate